Hi viewers, you are watching today the water lanterns festival. You are watching the now flying lanterns. You are watching another lantern decoration with the snowman. You are watching the water floating lanterns. You are watching another lantern hanging anywhere, decorate with beautiful decoration. You are watching a lantern, beautiful decoration floating on water. You are watching different colorful lanterns you can made at home. Floating water floating lanterns you are watching like lily flowers. You are watching different drawing lanterns. You are watching a red color lantern decorate for hanging. You are watching different floating lanterns. You are watching a lantern decorating with birds and different paintings. You are watching a paper based water floating lantern. You are watching four different lanterns, candle lights. You are watching a lantern, round shaped lantern floating. You are watching another lantern paper based making beautiful design floating lantern. You are watching another love message written lantern. You are watching a lantern decorate with the house. You are watching another lantern decorate with the dollar tree, Christmas tree. You are watching two lanterns, beautiful decoration design floating lanterns. You are watching jar lanterns, beautiful design. You are watching another square shaped lanterns. You are watching another love yourself message lantern glowing. You are watching some candle lanterns you can wear at home and hanging on the wall. You are watching beautiful, colorful, charming lanterns. You are watching another idea of lantern beautiful. You are watching some lanterns make in the jar hanging on the door and wall. You are watching a jar based lantern. You are watching another lantern beautiful made with the plastic bottle. You are watching three lanterns beautiful flower design. You are watching three lanterns made with the plastic bottle. You are watching another lantern beautiful craft. You are watching water floating lanterns beautiful color and beautiful